Hello, everybody. Third edition of the Strike Zone. Next topic, team composition. I've fielded a few questions about this in the last few weeks. Let's talk through it some. So, straight from the manual, page 4 and 5, a team will consist of no more than 7 bowlers. So, you got your 5 bowlers and your 2 subs. Let's see, lineup of no more than 7 players submitted prior to competition. Cannot make a change to the lineup once that first ball of the match has been thrown. And again, the manual says teams will normally compete in a playing strength of 5 bowlers. So your goal is to have 5 bowlers competing, both in individual games and then also in those Baker games at the end of the match. Likewise with tournaments. So the other piece to this, and this is where I get questions from time to time, top of page 5, it says if a school is unable to field a complete team of 5 bowlers, individual bowlers for that school may compete as long as the school has 3 individual bowlers. So if you've got 3 boys out for bowling, you can still compete. You just have those 3 individual bowlers in the individual game. When bowler slot 4 and 5 come up, they would take zeros, or you would take zeros in their frames as an absentee score for any of those missing roster members. The same would hold true for the Baker side of it. So if you've got a playing strength of 5 bowlers, if you're at 3 or 4 bowlers and you've got at least 1 or 2 absentee spots in that roster, you would take zeros in their place during the Baker format or Baker portion of that competition. That's probably where I get the most questions does that apply to the Baker? And it does. So again, you're going to need at least 3 bowlers to compete as a team in those competitions. The nice thing about this, though, is that even if you're a school with only 3 or 4 bowlers, you're still going to be able to compete throughout the year. You may take some lumps during some of those team competitions, but your individual bowlers will still have a chance to compete at districts and maybe earn a spot at state for the singles championships. With that, have a good day.